The very important question of Shiba Inu holder. Can Shiba Inu coin price prediction? You can see, my friends, this time 2025. Can in 2025, my friends, they will increasing, they will hit, my friends, 10 cent. Absolutely very important question of all holders. So I will answering you, but kindly holder, please, before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification, my brother. So this time you can see the Shiba Inu price prediction. Can Shiba, as my friend, you can see here, just in only I accept this. Let's see, but Shiba Inu reach 1 cent by 2025. So this is very important question. All right, if we check out, my friend, the answer, so I hope we are all understand, and absolutely we cannot, my friends, do any mistake. Shiba Inu labeled and the Dogecoin killer despite being one of the newest cryptocurrencies on the market. Has Shiba Inu doing surprisingly well, but can Shiba reach 1 cent by 2025? Yes, my brother, I think this is impossible, but if they hit just in only $1, so I hope, my friends, they will hit now easily now. So kindly holder, be my friend, be ready for a good time, but I hope, my friend, this is impossible to, they will hit, my friends, 1 cent and before, my friends, 2022, but if they will hit 1 cent before 2022, so I hope, my friend, in 2025 they will give you a $10. So it is possible now, my brother. So I hope they will be increasing in upcoming time, but kindly holder, if you want to invest more, so I think, my friend, this is a very good time for you to invest now. So go invest now. I hope the price will be increasing, but don't sell it. I hope, my friend, you are completely lost if you starting selling. So don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. See you next time, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos. I hope you like and subscribe this channel.